Munini wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki Niwaweta Kitumi Kinene cha Miatianio ya Amuika Mbingi si Afrika Kyumanitwe na Silikali Kulea Kumanenga Myanya ya Kwiana ya Mawia Nikana Meyiendeesye Mikalileni yo Kindiki Aineena Itina wa Kuvingua Kikalo cha Eene Mawia kuma Ilembetani ya Afrika kila chambi ya umundi musini wa ilovi wala waiki vya Miatianio ithiitwe yina kielelo kisio na maunyungisyo Maw'o ala Silikali siaile kwithukisya bate kubothesya Benjamin Mwaka nukwelesya.
Kwa ivinda ya saa Silikali ya Kenya ithitwe ibothesya Miatianio ya Amuika ma Nthi ila itwaithitwe vamusi kuma mwakani wa 2024 nele na atungilelo ingi mwaka huu. Munini wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki yunu walumililia maandamano ava Kenya na Nthi ingi sianza methitwe na maunungunisyo mena uo ala Silikali Mbingi Africa siaile kwithukisya.
While many challenges face young people in Africa today, undoubtedly the most acute challenge is the lack of enough jobs and income opportunities for them. And this has led to a situation where in some of our countries we've seen unrest led by young people, and part of the grievance is around the lack of enough jobs and income opportunities for the youth.
Weta thina wonyivu wa Mawia ni Itina Kinene cha Miatianio na Silikali nisiaile kusisya undu wa kusuvia Amuika kuma thinani uno.
We have also seen the young people of Africa, some of them turn into social media platforms not for e-commerce or to look for opportunities there, but to spread hateful messages. The consequence of youth unrest and disenfranchisement has been loss of property, higher operating costs, and dwindling profits. And therefore, the youth unemployment challenge presents the greatest opportunity for the social justice agenda that we are gathered here today to speak of. We must therefore unlock the transformative potential of businesses, not just to profit, but also to empower.
Kikalo kila chato yo vamusi ni lovi vlo aduthia Eene ivalua kutetheesya Silikali sio kuseuvya myana Mawia aiweta ngwato ni unduni une avata muno kwa Nthi ni mam.
The government of Kenya has worked very hard to ensure that there is collaboration between the government, the employers, and the workers for generations to come.
The era of tie and suit wearing workers could be coming to an end, and that's what the young people are demanding, that you don't need a tie to be productive. Going forward, therefore, we must engage our young people, listen to them, integrate their thoughts as we define the worker of the 21st century.
Vilingo Maw'o kuma vamusi ni lovi nyeneta wa Benjamin Mwaka.